Hello and welcome. If the sixth term of an arithmetic progression is 37 and the sum of the first six terms is 147, find the first term and also find the sum of the first 15 terms. Okay, so using the formula for the general terms, that is the nth term of an AP, which is u subscript n equals to first term plus parentheses number of terms minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. Okay, so we have that if the sixth term of an AP, okay, that is arithmetic progression, is 37, so which means for n equals to 6, so we're going to have u subscript 6 to be the first term plus, now 6 minus 1 will be 5, so we have a plus 5d. Now we are given that u6, which is the sixth term, is equals to 37, so which means we have a plus 5d to be equals to 37, and this is equation 1. So let me box this. This is equation 1. And the sum of the first six terms is 147. Sum of the first sixth term is 147. Now we know that the formula for sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is s subscript n equals to n over 2 square bracket a plus u subscript n, which is the nth term. So we have for n equals to 6, so we have sum of the first six terms, we have that to be equals to 147. Okay, so which means, and let's not forget that when we say n is equals to 6, that's why we have s subscript 6. So the sum of the first six terms will be equals to 6 divided by 2 square bracket a plus, now the sixth term, okay, we have the sixth term in this case. Okay, remember the formula states s subscript n equals to n over 2 square bracket a plus u subscript n. Okay, so if the nth term, okay, is 37, okay, that is the sixth term is 37, okay, it will be added to the first term, okay, then multiplied by the sum will be multiplied by the number of terms, that's 6, okay, then all over 2, and that will be equals to the sum of the first six terms. All right, so which is this guy? So this will be equals to 147. So that this will be 3 square bracket a plus, remember this guy is what? 37. So plus 37 equals to 147. So if we divide, okay, if we divide both sides by 3, this will be 3 square bracket a plus 37, okay, divided by 3 will be equals to 147 divided by 3. Okay, so that we can now have a plus 37 will be equals to, now 147 divided by 3, this is 14 divided by 3, that will be 4, because 3 times 4 is 12. Then we have a remainder of 2, then 27, that will be 9. Okay, so we have this to be 147 divided by 3 is 49. So this will be a plus 37 equals to 49, so that a will be equals to 49 minus 37, then a will be equals to 12. So the first term is 12, which is according to the question. First term is 12. All right, so the second question is for us to find the sum of the first 15 terms. Now, to be able to calculate the sum of the first 15 terms, okay, the first thing we need to do is to first find the value of the common difference. So I'm going to use the value of a to solve for the value of d, that's the common difference, using the first equation. Okay, using the first equation. All right, so we can just say this is equation 2. Okay, all right, so to calculate d, that's a common difference. Okay, substitute substitute the value of a substitute the value of a, that is the first term, into equation what? Equation 1. And we have equation 1 to be a plus 5d equals to 37. So the value of a is 12, then plus 5d equals 37. So I'll move this to the right side of the equation so that 5d will be equals to 37 minus 12. Then 5d will be equals to, this is 7 minus 2 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2. So if you divide both sides by 5, the value of d will be 5. So now we know that we now have that the value of a, that is the first term, is 12, and the value of d, common difference, is equals to 5. Okay, so now let's calculate or find the sum of the first 15 terms. So B, sum of the first 15 terms. So we are using the formula sum of the first 15 terms will be number of, that is n over 2. We're using, that will be 15. Remember, n is equals to 15 using this formula. Now, another way we can write this formula is when we write s subscript n equals to n over 2 square bracket 2a plus parenthesis n minus 1 times d. Okay, so this will be 15 over 2 square bracket 2 times a. Remember, a equals to 12. Okay, then the common difference is 5. So we have 2 times 12. Okay, then plus 50. So this will be 14 times because remember we are looking for the sum of the first 15 terms. So n is 15. So 15 minus 1, that's the 14 we have here. So 14 multiplied by 5, which is the common difference. So s subscript 15 will be 15 over 2 multiplied by, this is 24, then this will be 70. Yeah, because 14 times 5 is 70. Okay, so 70 plus 24, that will be 94. So s subscript 15 will be equals to 15 over 2 equals to 94. Okay, 15 over 2 multiplied by 94. Okay, pardon. So we have 94 divided by 2. 94 divided by 2 will be 47. 47. So we have 47 times 15. So sum of the first 15 terms will be whatever we get when we multiply 15 by 47. Okay, whatever we get when we multiply 15 by 47. So this will be 5, 0, then 7. So we have 705. So s subscript 15 is equals to 705. So the sum of the first 15 terms is 705. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.